and they have a cash flow which is only required for, I can invest 1 gram of gold every week. By doing an SIP investment, you all know the advantage of SIP is that you don't invest in one price point, you're buying in various price points, so after some period of time you get average price. So if today gold is high, tomorrow you may get gold lower, but you keep buying, so you'll average the price of gold. But today if gold is low and you go high, it will come down again you'll average the price of gold. But if the requirement is that I want to buy 1 gram of gold every week, then your option is what? You either go to the jeweler, and every week on a particular day on Friday you go to the jeweler and you buy 1 gram of gold, or you buy from the bank. Whatever the banks are selling gold also you buy from there. But on the National Spot Exchange, you are able to get gold approximately 6% to 12% cheaper. I will show you on the next slide how that actually is the case. Even when we saw that initially, we thought it's not the reality, but we did some fact finding and I will tell you what that is in the next slide. But the importance is that you can buy as small as 1 gram of gold and you can take delivery of that into your demat account. Very, very convenient. So when you take in your demat account, obviously you know the advantage is that there is no need for you to safe keep the gold somewhere in your house or in the bank locker, and you are always able to see it in one single account in your system. High level of liquidity, because you can sell that 1 gram of gold anytime. Just like how you sell a stock after 3 days, 4 days, you sell it after 4 days also, no problem. And you also have the option to convert this demat gold into physical gold. It is just like, if you remember, about in 1998, we had physical shares, and now we have demat shares. So this gold is demat gold. So what you do, you will remat the gold, rematerialize it. So you will give Navia an instruction saying, look, I have demat gold of 5 grams. I want now physical coins. And Navia will take that request and get the coins for you in 6 hours and give it to you in your house, or you can pick it up from our office. This gold is guaranteed by the Gold Council. It is 24 karat gold, guaranteed gold. What you get all the big jewelry shops, the same certificate gold you will get over here also. Another advantage of, when I was talking about gold, let me come to silver. The advantage is even bigger. See, today people are buying gold, but there is also demand that some people are buying out of silver also. They think that the price parity between gold and silver is very high. And some people feel that silver is also something that we can invest in. Today there is no place, there is no available place for you to take or purchase small quantities of silver periodically. Right? Probably you go to a jeweler, he may give you silver, but they will not give you 100 grams of gold, which you can keep on buying. You will have to buy 1 kilo of silver or something. And again, in places like Chennai, if you keep silver, it becomes black after a while. The problem also is there. If you go to MCX, you will have to buy silver as a futures product, where you can't take delivery. And you will have to square it up. You may probably use the price advantage for 10, 15 days or 20 days depending on the expiry. But there is nothing available to take physical delivery of silver. So supposing today I want to give an example for gold. I want to buy 100 grams silver every Friday. Ultimately my aim is that I want to accumulate 10 kilo silver for some reason. Maybe marriage function or gifts or whatever. I just want to accumulate silver. And I want to buy 100 grams silver every week. There is no other available place. Here for gold, you can at least buy on the NSE, you can buy gold bees. Gold bees is an exchange traded product. But there is no provision in gold bees for you to take delivery. You buy gold bees, it comes to your demat account, then you sell gold bees, but you cannot take delivery. So the spot exchange is the only place where you can buy this gold, keep it in your demat account, and subsequently take delivery also if you require. Similarly, for silver also, it's the only place where you can buy small lots of silver, keep it in your demat account, and take delivery when required. So you can accumulate 100 grams every week, get 400 grams a month, maybe get about 4 kilos in a year, and then you can liquidate all that in one shot. Take one block of 5 kilo silver, whenever you feel. When you feel the price has gone up, or when you feel there is a requirement for silver in your family for for some function or something, you can take the delivery. So many times it's basically a way of saving. We Indians, we know very well. We all put some of our savings in hard asset. By hard asset we mean real estate, gold, silver. This is one more way of investing those investments in gold and silver through a national spot exchange in a very periodic manner, in a small aspect. You don't have to go one shot and buy. See, many times I find people, they come to me and said, what we do is that we need to buy gold or we need to buy silver. Our aim is to buy, let's say, 400, 500 grams or 1 kilo of silver in 1 year. So we save the money. We save our money and keep it in our bank or something. And in one shot we go and buy the silver after a year, whenever for some function that required. That was perfectly fine. But the problem is, when the commodity prices are volatile, today you are thinking, okay, 55,000 rupees, 50,000 rupees, 1 kilo silver. So you will save every month 5,000 rupees. So the end of 12 months you get 60,000 rupees to buy silver. But what if silver after 1 year is 75,000 rupees? Then you cannot buy 1 gold, 1 gram, 1 kilo. You have saved money today's price. But one year later, silver price will gain because commodity price is so volatile today. So the best way, instead of saving that money, you invest that money in silver periodically. So that even the price was at least you bought earlier, that you got at a cheaper price. So one shot you don't have to go and buy. Many times people have to postpone the decision because the price suddenly goes up. We've seen silver going up from the price from 55,000 to almost 75,000 in a very short span of time. And it went down also equally fast. Imagine for traders is one thing, but imagine somebody for some reason really wanting to buy silver that day for some specific purpose, for a marriage function or something like that. They would have no choice but to actually go and pay that extra money. So this platform provides us a method to invest our savings that we want to put in gold and silver in a very systematic manner for long-term benefits, both as a savings and also as an accrual, because over a period of time commodity prices will go up. Today, because dollar is strengthening in value, commodity prices are going down because both gold and silver is denominated in dollars. But when dollar weakens, automatically commodity prices go up. So in one way, acquiring these hard commodities is a safeguard against any dollar weakening of future. Today we may not anticipate, but tomorrow it may be. Navia became members of this in 2012 only, and as part of our value creation exercise, we were looking at the universe. This is what we found. But there is some benefit in becoming a spot exchange member. You see, there are not many brokers who are members of spot exchanges. It is not very difficult to get membership, but there are not many brokers. The fact that many people don't know that it exists means that there are not many brokers, and possibly whichever broker has taken it is not very openly advertising this to the clients. See, there is very little benefit for the broker in spot exchange, because ultimately it's about retail participation. Even if you buy 100 grams of silver, it is basically how much? 5,600 rupees. Even if I charge you for 0.5% brokerage, hardly it's about 250 or 240 rupees. Nothing much. Even if you do that every month, it's still about 2,000 rupees. So there is nothing much from the perspective of earning the revenue through brokerage in this. But there is a lot from the perspective of actually becoming disciplined about your investment in these assets. That's why I told you that when we looked at what to create value, we thought that this makes sense. Though as a business case it doesn't make sense, but from providing more alternative to our clients to do or spread their investments across various instruments, this made a lot of sense to us. That is why we took membership in 2012 only, and we are talking about it. This requires a separate demat and a trading account.